my third try, so we're going to see if this works this time. I've been having some issues with it, so if it doesn't work, I may have to restart it again. But parallelograms are a two-dimensional shape. They are a polygon. They are quadrilaterals because they have four sides. They can be rectangles, they can be squares, big ones, small ones, as long as they have four sides and have two pairs of parallel sides. One side, one side. They are parallel to one another. And this side of the rectangle are parallel to one another. They are equidistant. They're the same distance apart forever. Parallel. Now, parallelograms don't always have to be quadrilaterals that have four right angles either. If you take a rectangle, and you might have done this in third or fourth grade, and just make it lean a little bit, we also have a parallelogram. In fact, this is the most common picture of parallelogram that you're going to see when you're Googling parallelogram. It has four sides, and both sets of sides are parallel to one another. This side is parallel to this side, and this leaning side is parallel to that side. Parallel, 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 parallel. Four sides, four angles. It can have four 90-degree angles, does not have to. But it must have two pairs of parallel sides. If it only has one pair of parallel sides, then hopefully we all remember and think about constantly that that is a trapezoid. Can look anything similar to this. One pair of parallel sides. Side, side, parallel. They are equidistant to one another. Where these two sides, if we continued on with both sides, they would intersect at these points. And if we go further down this way, they continue to get further away. So parallelograms, most common ones. Squares, rectangles, two pairs of parallel sides, one interior. They are quadrilaterals. They have four angles and four sides. They are polygons. A rhombus can be a parallelogram. The rhombus is a square, or it's not going to be. So that one's a little bit tricky. You have to study about that one. But rhombus can be, and sometimes it's not going to be, but it has two pairs of parallel sides. So there's rhombus. If I turn my square, and if we have a better rhombus, I could draw one. Here we go. On our sheet, we're going to have one to work on. Here's rhombus. It is a parallelogram. Two pairs of parallel sides. Not parallelograms. You figure out why and let us know. But squares, rhombus, rhombi, parallelograms, parallelograms. Four sides, four angles. It may have four 90-degree angles, but doesn't have to. Two pairs of parallel sides. If it has one pair of parallel sides, then it's our friend trapezoid.